Igbo alphabet, mkpụrụ abịịdị Igbo ma ọ bụ mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. The Igbo alphabet has 36 letters. These letters has 8 vowels. Let's hear the pronunciation and sounds of these letters. We have A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, G, H, I, J, K, L, Q, L, M, N, N, W, Ny, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. We are going to take the sounds of these letters one after the other and also words containing them. But firstly, let's sing a song with these letters. Let's go. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, W, H, I, E, J, K, L, L, M, N, W, Ny, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Okay, I don't know if you got the song, but yeah, I just made it up so it can be easier for those that really want to learn this Igbo alphabet. Now let's take these letters one after the other. A, Apa. B, Buru, Buru. Ch, Chia, Ochi, Chiochi. D, De, E, Efere, Efere. F, For, G, Ge, B, Ọsọ, Gba ọsọ. R, Re, Gwọ, Hazie, I, Iche, Ịgba, J, Jide, Kechie, P, Kpụọ, Kwa, Kwụrụ, L, Lụọ, M, Mepee, N, Nne, Ṅ, Ṅụọ, Nwa, Nwa. Obi, Ọnwa, P, Pụta, R, Rie, S, Saa, Sh, Isha, T, Ta, u u ubi ubi u u ụlọ ụlọ v v vọpụta vọpụta w w wụọ wụọ y y yọọ yọọ z z zaa zaa